Here, and we verify the facts with expert sources. I'm going to bring in our Delia Gonzalez for clarity on what we know about this new strain of the virus. Hey, Dee.
Hey, Zoe, we know that there's a lot of concern out there and unknowns about this particular variant. So let's put this all in perspective for you right off the top. We're in much better shape this holiday season than we were this time last year. The president says more Americans are vaccinated and the booster will strengthen our defense against this new variant.
Our sources, President Joe Biden, Dr. Anthony Fauci, and the CDC. So here's what we know about Omicron. There are travel restrictions to and from South Africa and 7 countries in the region. President Biden commends South African health officials for immediately alerting the rest of the world about the variant. But the president says he imposed the ban because of the significant cases there, allowing the U.S. time to come up with a plan of action.
We needed time to give people an opportunity to say, get that vaccination now before it heads. It's going to move around the world.
According to Dr. Fauci, our current PCR COVID tests detect the new variant. Your best defense? Get vaccinated and wear your mask in crowded indoor settings.
There is still time to get your first 2 shots or your booster shot or get your children vaccinated before Christmas. All 3 are available and can be done before Christmas. If you and your family are fully vaccinated, you can celebrate the holidays much more safely.
According to the CDC COVID-19 dashboard, 71% of adults over 18 and 86% of seniors are fully vaccinated. 62% of children between 5 and 11 and 69% of kids ages 12 and up have received their shots. Dr. Fauci says the vaccine and booster are the best defense against Omicron right now, but officials are planning to roll out an updated vaccine if necessary.
So that we are prepared if needed, my team is already working with officials at Pfizer and Moderna and Johnson & Johnson to develop contingency plans for vaccines or boosters if needed.
What we don't know yet, because there just isn't enough data, how transmissible is the Omicron variant, and if I do contract the new strain, how sick will I get?
We'll fight this variant with scientific and knowledgeable actions and speed.
Obviously, this is still a very fluid situation. The president expects to have a detailed plan Thursday, calling for more vaccines as opposed to shutdowns and increased travel restrictions. The president says beating this pandemic means fighting coronavirus worldwide. He is encouraging more countries to ship vaccines to our neighbors overseas. So,
yeah, once again, we are all interconnected. Delia, thank you.